चक्षुरुमिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः गुरुवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकाय तदले कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तिरभक्ताय नमो नमः वंशकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यश्च पतितानं पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः. My Tanvat pranams to Nikhil Krishna Mishtapad, Prasthadara Shri Srimad Bhaktivedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj, and to Srimad Nikhil Krishna Mishtapad, Prasthadara Shri Srimad Bhaktivedanta Bhavan Goswami Maharaj, to Sripad Bhaktivedanta Bhavan Maharaj, all the Vaishnavas assembled here on this very auspicious occasion of Maharaj's presence to bless us all on the path of our spiritual life. In the Bhagavad Gita it is said, Dehinosmin yatha dehe kumaram yovanam jara yatha dehantar bhakti dhiras tatra namuyate, which is a very famous verse that describes how the soul travels in this body from boyhood to youth to old age, and then eventually when it leaves this body, it goes into another body. And it's a very important verse for us to reflect on in the way that we are growing up. We are all growing up from babies, or even from the child in the mother's womb, from the time of conception, that it grows for 9 months and then comes out and grows, changes body. It becomes a young boy or young girl, then grows up to be mature, then from maturity to middle age, and most of us are at that age at this time, I think, middle age or not, or even older. Some of us are a little bit older than that, more mature. So when that time comes, then our body starts to deteriorate, the physical body. It starts, as you know, and experience aches and pains, backache, lack of concentration, the eyes can't see, the ears can't hear as they did before when you were young and fresh and youthful and strong, and your legs don't work. Sometimes you get illnesses that are very severe, and you can't even walk or move, and you have to be in a wheelchair. And so these transformations of the body are changing, but that is what we call material existence. But there's something inside the body that makes it work, that makes it tick like a clock, the mechanism of a clock. And that ticking mechanism is the soul, which science is trying to find out what this is. It cannot identify. It cannot, it's trying, it's using all its resources to find out what this thing is that makes life. And it's such a beautiful thing, such a very finite thing, very small thing, that it's impossible to see with empirical science. Material objects, material equipment cannot see that thing that is called, what we call the soul, the Atma. So it's so fine that in the Shastra it is described as being 1/10,000th of the tip of the size of a hair. So if you take one hair and you divide it into 100 parts, and then you divide that again into another 100, that is the size of the soul as described in our Shastra, and how small it is. And that is very, very finite, very small. It cannot be seen by a magnifying glass or any kind of telescopic equipment, microscopic equipment. Very finite, so very subtle, but it pervades the whole body. And it is that thing that is constant in our changing body. So if you imagine a young person, when they grow up, that person is still the same person, isn't it? That person you were when you were a child, you are now in a different body. And you will, as you grow up, you will be that person, that same person, when you're 60 or 70 or 80, and you will be that same person. That soul will be the same when you leave the body. And so in the Bhagavad Gita it describes that that soul goes to another body at the time of death. And Krishna, or God, the creator of this soul, is so kind that he says that if you remember me at that time of death, that you will attain my abode.
And if once you go there, you don't come back. This is the gift of God, the beautiful gift of God. The beautiful gift of human life, this body that we have, and the gift that we have is to invest that into going back home, back to Godhead. This is a beautiful thing. So we have an opportunity in this human body that we don't have in other species of life. It's described in Shastra there are 900 species of aquatics. There are 2 million types of vegetables, trees, plants. There are 1 million types of insects. There are 1.1 million types of birds. There are 300,000 types of four-legged animals. There are 400,000 types of human beings. And of those, we are fortunate enough, those 400 different types of human beings, we are fortunate to find some who are interested in God. So in Shastra is described there are two types of people, atheists and devotees, or those people who believe in God, theists. Two types of people in this world you will find. The atheists, they believe that there is no God, there is no purpose to life, that life is there to just eat, sleep, drink and be merry. But the theists, the devotees, they believe something else. He believes that there is a creator. Although he cannot see with his own eyes or use his own intelligence to find this person, but he believes, he has faith. He has this thing called faith which the other species of life don't have. They don't have this element of faith. And that's what makes us different from animals. So we have this faith, devotees have this faith, there is a higher purpose in life, apart from all those things we mentioned, eating, sleeping, mating, defending. Life is about something else, that we can invest our energy and use our life to improve ourselves, to improve our next life even, if we have that vision. So we're not just living for today, we're investing our energy, time and resources to create a better future for ourselves. And also while we do that, we pass it on to our children, the next generation. Otherwise, what is the benefit in keeping it for ourselves? Yeah, isn't it? If you have some wealth, then we want to share that wealth. And this is a very beautiful idea as well about sharing. And the beauty is that we have people who share that with us, this knowledge, isn't it? First we get knowledge from our parents, then we get knowledge from our teachers, then we get knowledge from people who we train under if we're working in a profession, and then we pass that on to others if we're kind enough or generous enough, or we keep it to ourselves, which isn't very good really. So these people are called gurus, or teachers, isn't it? Mata Guru, Pita Guru, Guru Mahadev. In our culture we have this idea, this principle of Guru, which is our teacher, spiritual teacher. He gives us knowledge that our parents may not give us, or be able to give us. He gives us that realization. So we're fortunate to have Sripad Bhaktivedanta Bal Maharaj with us, who's giving us that knowledge, that spiritual inspiration, the spiritual push, that spiritual guidance. He's like a farmer. He's a farmer who cultivates the field. The farmer, he sees the seed has a potential. That seed is very potent. It can grow to be a very beautiful plant, a fruit-bearing tree, a mango tree, pear tree, apple tree that can give this beautiful fruit. But first he has to work so hard. The farmer has to work so hard to prepare the field. Okay? Isn't it? He has to dig day and night, very hard, take out the weeds. First he takes out the big boulders and big stones, and then he has to take out the weeds. And those are described as our anarthas, those things that are unwanted in the heart of the student or the disciple. So he helps to do that by his own example, by his teachings. So this farmer then has to plant or sow the seeds in the ground. He cannot just throw them anywhere. If he throws them anywhere, then they might go on the side and they might not flower. There'll be no fruits from that. He has to dig a channel in the middle and plant the seeds very carefully in the soil. Cover the soil, then he has to give water, and then he has to allow the elements, sun, rain, and like that to nurture that seed and also protect that seed. And what does he do to protect that seed? He puts a scarecrow, a figure with arms like this, with a big T-shirt, so it frightens and a hat, a straw hat. The scarecrow frightens the crows away, the black crows who come and take the seed, isn't it? So that he does all of that. That's his work, his job, so that these fruits can come up. And we are like those seeds. Each one of us is those seeds. He is collecting and planting and nurturing and guiding us to become very beautiful, strong, healthy trees that give very nice, sweet fruit, isn't it? And that's our privilege, that we have been collected. We have shelter. We have somebody who cares for us and who wants our best benefit. Yeah? So that we can also share with other people. So this is our good fortune. We have a very strong, healthy farmer and a strong, healthy teacher that is very dedicated and very focused in his goal in helping us flower to beautiful fruits. So let's take this opportunity and hear from his lotus mouth and take his knowledge and then share that with others.
First of all, I want to pay my obeisances to my spiritual master, Acharya Purushottam Vishnupada Sri Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Also, I pay my heartly obeisances to my Siksha Guru, Acharya Purushottam Vishnupada Sri Gaurabinda Goswami Maharaj. Also, I pay my obeisances to my Siksha Guru, the Maharaj. He is very dear to us all. He came here amidst us to show our that is Harikatha. Like Prabhu was saying that this life is a very real life which we got because we came in contact with Sri Guru, and because we are fortunate enough to come in contact with Sri Guru. But this life we should not waste, because what he was mentioning, that like for an example, if we our age will become 100, then if you are counting, then like 50 years are spent with sleeping, and then from the age of 80 till 100, then you can be, people cannot do many things because you are in a very high age, and in that age there are so many sickness. So it's very difficult to chant and to concentrate because you are sick, and it's difficult to do sadhana and bhajan. So from 80 till 100 years, so 20 years are spent just like that, and 50 years we are spending with sleeping, and so in total 70 years are lost. And then from 20 years, from that 120 years, we are spending with education. Like we are going to college, so many times we are spending in college. So 20 years again are lost. So from the 108 years, then that means 10 years is still left. So the 10 years, in that 10 years, we are trying to find out what is enjoyment. So we are getting married and also getting children. So many things are coming in our path, by which we are again disturbed to do our sadhana bhajan. So that's why we have to consider. We have to start right now with our sadhana bhajan, because at this age, at this moment, we see we are fit enough to do our sadhana bhajan. So, like when you are in young age, many people are thinking that when we are very old, then we can do later, and again, they are delaying in doing sadhana bhajan. But you never know when the time for that is coming. So even now, after like tomorrow or after 2 minutes, you can die. You cannot. It is not in your hands. So we should not waste our time, because in this lifetime we are coming in contact with Sri Guru. Sripad Bhan Maharaj is coming here, and like that is the mercy of Srila Gurudev. When Srila Gurudev's mercy is condensed, that is in the way of Sripad Bhan Maharaj is here. So that is his condensed mercy, and it is like a wake-up call. And together we are going to do like listening to his Harikatha, and like as a SOS, like sending for help, crying. This is a crying school, so we should cry and ask for help, and also be one-pointed, because it's very important to be one-pointed to Sri Guru. So we should have we should have, how would you say? Possessiveness to Sri Guru. Because that possessiveness he is giving to Sri Radha Krishna, the same which you are giving, he is giving, offering to them. So he is bringing close to you to Srila Gurudev, and from there you are going to Radha Krishna. So we should not waste our time and listen to his Harikatha, which is like nectar, like Ganga Jamuna coming from his lotus mount. It's carrying so many fragrance, and in his heart so many jewels are there. That's why he is also jewel. Jewels are coming, and so we should take and listen attentively. I will not waste my time, because you are coming to listen to this Harikatha.
Vrindavan Vihari Lal ki jai, jai Shri Radhe. Bolo Govinda Bolo Hari Gopal Bolo, Govinda Bolo Hari Gopal Bolo, Govinda Bolo Hari Gopal Bolo, Govinda Bolo Hari Gopal Bolo.
कृष्ण भक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पते गोपीकान्त राधाकान्त नमोस्तुते। तप्तकाञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते जयतां सुरतोर्भङ्गोर्मम मन्दमतिर्गते मत्सर्वस्य पदाम्बुज श्रीराधामदनमोहन दिग्बाधवृन्दारण कल्पद्रुमासिमरत्नाकर सिंहासनस्तु श्री श्री राधा शिला गोविंद देवो पृष्ठालभु सेव्यमानं स्मरामि। श्रीमान रासरसारम्भी वंशी भटदलचिता कलिसनवेनो सने गोपी गोपीनाथस्य श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। So to Damodar Prabhu, he didn't come. Or Vijay Prabhu? Vijay? Huh? First of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto the lotus feet of my Gurupad Padma, Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Gurunda Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakhak Siddhar Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis and present all of my respectful guests. So I want to speak few words. Just you heard, this human body is very, very rare. Okay? Just you heard these things. You believe or not, you are theist or atheist. This is not our subject. But this is the absolutely truth. What the absolute truth? This human body is very, very rare. Again, you will get back or not. There are no any guarantee. Durlabho manso dehi dehinam khanabhangura tatrapi durlabhang manne vaikunta priya darsana. Srimad Bhagavatam, Sukadeva Goswami Pad told to Parikshit Maharaj, Durlabha Manso Dehi, this human body is very, very rare. Just you heard, after 8.4 million pieces, then Lord mercifully gives us this human body. Why? Because only the human body we can perform bhajan and sadhana to Lord and attain to Lord. cats, dogs, birds, animals cannot do anything. Animals, birds, they cannot do bhajan and sadhana. They have no idea about God or anything. Just the 24 hours engaged with the four things, that is eating, sleeping, defending and mating. But the human body, we got the human body, also we are doing also these four things. Because these four things are common, eating, sleeping, defending and mating. This is the common. But what is the speciality of the human body? That's called, in the human body you can get associated sadhu, sangha. And we can listen Hari Katha, and then we can change our lifestyle. But we don't want. But sadhu sangha means you have to change your lifestyle. That means what is life? It means life to
Human life.
perfect human life. That means you have to inquire yourself. What is regard in our highest philosophy, Vedanta Sutra, first sloka explained this way. That is called Athato Brahma Jigyasa. Therefore, inquire about Brahma. Inquire about Lord. Inquire about your soul. So first this is Srimad Bhagavatam explaining Athato Atma Jigyasa. You have to inquire about your soul. Just you heard. The soul is very, very minor, more than molecular. Balagra Satabhagasya Satadha Purvikasya Jana Bhagava Jivo Anantasya Kalpate. Our Upanishad explains our soul is very, very minor. But soul resides this body, the body is working. Or when soul goes out this body, then this all our organs of the body cannot work anything. Eyes, nose, hands, legs, everything are there. But it is not soul, then that is called dead body. Understand? So for this regard, Srimad Bhagavatam, Sukadeva Goswami Pad told to Parikshit Maharaj, Athato Atma Jigyasa. Therefore you inquire about your soul. And these things, so Lord Sanatana Goswami Pad, he asked to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. What did he ask? Yami Kanamori Jarita Patroy Yana Yani Koiche Hita Hoy Sadha Sadhana Tattva Puchitena Jani Ripapari Sabtattva Kohata Apani. Second Chaitanya. Who am I? This is the first inquire yourself. You ask yourself, who am I? I am not this body, I am the soul. And soul is called the part and parcel of Lord Mamai Mansa Jiva Loke Jiva Bhuto Sanatana. And we are the eternal servant of Lord Krishna. Jive Sarup Hoy Krishna Nitadas. Or we are eternal servant of Lord Krishna. Actually, we are not the servant of Maya, Mayadas. We are not Mayadas, not Godas. We are the servant of Krishna, Krishna Das. But anyhow, we forget to Krishna and we have come in this material world and completely illustrated by mind. So for this regard, we forget about our own identification. But Guru and Vaishnava, they are very merciful. They are again and again remind to you. What remind? What say? Jive Sarup hoy Krishna Nitya. That means you are the eternal servant of Krishna. Jig jago, Gora chand bole, Koto nidra jao maya, Pisachir kori. Tomare loite ami hoinu avatar, Ami bina bandhu balo ke ache tomar. এনেছি ঔষধি মায়া নাসিবার লাগি হরিনাম মহামন্ত্র লও তুমি মাগি Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself told this. Oh my friends, please wake up. How long you sleep on the lap of Maya? Wake up, wake up. Jeev jago, jeev jago. You are wake up or not? No. You are sleeping. Where? On the lap of Maya. Maya की गोद में आप सोए हुए हैं? The first is regard Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu loudly chanting, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And Lord Chaitanya himself told, I brought very powerful medicine from Guru Vrindavan. That is called Harinam Enechi Ausudhi Maya. I brought very powerful medicine from Guru Vrindavan. If you take this medicine, then Maya will disappear. Go away from it. So saying, Enechi Usudi Maya Nasi Vadalagi, Harinam Mahamantra, Lord to me Maya. Take Harinam, chant holy name, then your life will be successful. This is the duty of the devotee of the Lord. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself gave this instruction, Jare dekho tari kaho Krishna Boris. If you see anyone, just to give the instruction, give the instruction. What instruction? Oh my brother, oh my sister, please chant holy names and be happy. One couple, wife and husband, which they are one small baby, maybe 1 or 2 months baby, wife and husband, and one small baby, 2 months baby. They are going one place to another place, one walking, going. When they are going in the middle, one deep forest, they have to cross the deep forest, dense forest. When they came in the dense forest, in the meantime one tiger started to roar. Then they become very afraid. What will do now? They are looking very little bit far. Tiger is coming and making sound. That time, husband told his wife, "Listen, we have to little bit run fast. Then we can cross the forest." Our wife, she told, "How possible can I run fast? Because I have a small baby. Just 2 months, I gave birth to the baby. I can't to run fast. Cannot walk speedy. Good person can be good. But wife, she has a small baby also. So little bit difficult or not? Eh? So she told, I can't do this. Husband and wife looking, tiger is coming very quick. That time they think, what will do now? Yeah? Tiger soon come and kill to us. What will do? Then they decide to each other, listen. We can our newborn baby hide one place. Yeah. For this regard, they also saw one small, what is called, ditch, hole.
Hole in the ground.
And put the small baby in there and little bit
Covered.
covered with the leaves or something. That because they are thinking we can go, and when tiger will be pass this way, then again we return back and will take back our baby. For this regard, they hide the baby in the small ditch and covered with the leaves. नियति की कौन उड़ा सकते हैं? और बंगाली भाषा में बागे देखा सफेद देखा. You cannot do anything. You cannot conquer the death. Then everything is called what? Predestined. So wife and husband have to walk faster, but soon tiger came and killed them. Then wife and husband left birth. But their newborn baby, that 2 months baby, now he saved. When the tiger went out from that place, then after few hours, maybe 2-3 hours, then some monkeys came same place. 3 hours first, baby started to cry. Then one female monkey, she noticed, one ditch, one newborn baby. Every living entity, they have little bit something also, compassion in their heart. Then that the female monkey, female monkey, she took the newborn baby, and newborn baby was crying. The female monkey, she also killed her breast. So much compassion in the heart of the human monkey. Now this newborn baby staying with the group of monkeys. Only 2 months baby. So staying with the monkeys. This is the nature. If you stay in that the society, then automatically all the activities
Become like that.
Become like that society. While you are living, that you automatically, that the culture automatically, you are doing or not? If you stay in India, Indian culture. If you stay in Western country, then Western culture. You don't need to speak too much. You know everything. So for this regard of Western culture and Indian culture, it will be different. And if you are Indian or Western, stay anywhere, but where you are living, that culture automatically adopt. So now coming that newborn baby is staying with the monkeys, then that baby also are doing all that cultural activities of monkeys. Monkeys what is doing? Jumping one tree to another tree. So in the same way, that newborn baby also doing same activities. Habit coming actually. Man is the servant of habit. Man of basic does all the habit is coming in this. And staying with the monkeys, monkeys also, they are or something quarreling to each other. Then you want baby also doing same thing. Each all this, just little bit body different. But he's staying with the monkeys. Now big nails coming. Big hair. 3-4 months now being baby. Coming this and acting the same activities of the monkey. One day, one hunter came in that place. The hunter noticed, oh, this is the human being. This is not the monkey. Then anyhow, that hunter, he caught the human baby. But he's very angry. And if you touch the body of monkey, then you can realize. If you go Vrindavan, never you touch the baby monkey, then big problem with it. They will be bite you. And not only, all the monkeys, they will come and jump onto you and start and also attack you also. So if you go Vrindavan, never disturb the monkeys. Especially never you touch the baby monkey. So now the hunter, when he caught, there the human baby, 4, 5, 6 months old. But he also attacked the hunter as like a monkey. But anyhow, hunter, he brought that human baby and cut his nails and long hair and bad smell. Monkey is not in bad. So put many also had oil and soap and perfume and clean everything. Never touch the monkey's body. Very bad smell, also many kinds of also germs. So now hunter, he cleaned the whole the body of newborn baby. 7-8 months. And clean. And he also giving some training. Understand? How to sit, how to eat, how to walk, everything. Because before he was the family of monkey, and now he is the belongs to the family of human being. So for this, that what is your ba nor? Ba means not. Nor means human being. So for this girl, actually not human being. Now not. Then you omit the ba. What is coming? Nor. Yes, sir. Ba nor. Ba nor. And now omit ba. What is coming? Nor means human being. Understand? All we are same also. Now he's after few months giving training and also slowly giving all kinds of training, teaching how to eat, how to sit, how to sleep also, how to speak, everything is also. That hunter gave that training. Then in this way few years, then he becomes gentleman. Now he gentleman going to school, college, learning, very beautiful. What is the purport about this story? Try to understand this. Actually, our scriptures explain if you not do bhajan and sadhana to Krishna. So what is the difference between human being and animals? Srimad Bhagavatam Sukdev Goswami Pad explain this way. Najat Sabira Barha Oshtra Khari Samsuta Purusa Pusu Najat Karno Patho Peto Jadu Namo Gadad Grijo. Gadagraj means Krishna. And if you not listen Krishna Katha, then that means you are then your activities as like the 4 animals. Sabir means dog. Varaha means pig. Sabira Varaha Ushtra means camel. Sabira Varaha Ushtra. A Khare means donkey. Yeah? So Srimad Bhagavatam Sukdev Goswami explained this way. Sabira Varaha Ushtra Khare Samskrita Purusha Pasu Najat Karna Patho Petu Jatu Nama Gadagraj. If you not listen Krishna Katha, if you not perform bhajan and sadhan, then what is the meaning of human life? Then nothing. Then so Sukdev Goswami Pad explained, sadhu sangha means is what? Your lifestyle should be changed.
एक बार सब लोग इंग्लिश भी नहीं समझते,
इंग्लिश नहीं समझते,
थोड़ा सा हिंदी में भी
ये बात हमारे होते हैं। वो कहानी सुना कि नहीं, समझ में आया तो फिर हिंदी में बोलता हूँ। एक बार एक पति और पत्नी अपने छोटा बच्चा को, 1 महीने की बच्ची, 2 महीने के बच्चा को लेकर के एक गांव से दूसरे गांव जा रहे थे और बीच में एक जंगल आ गया। जब जंगल आ गए, जंगल में एक शेर जो है उनके पीछा करने लगे, हुंकार करने लगे। तो पति पत्नी विचार करने लगे ये कैसे जल्दी जल्दी ही ये जंगल पार करके चले। पति कहने लगे देखो तुम जल्दी चलो। पत्नी कहने लगी मैं जल्दी कैसे चलूं, मेरे पास छोटा बच्चा है, अभी 2 महीने की हुआ, 1.5 महीने हुआ कि 1 महीने की बच्चा है, और फिर मैं स्त्री जाती हूँ, जल्दी कैसे चल सकती, नहीं चल सकती है। किंतु उन्होंने देखा, दूर देखा तो जो वो शेर जो हुंकार कर रहा है, आ रहे तेज गति से आ रहे, दौड़ करके आ रहे। तो पति पत्नी विचार करने लगे ये काम करे, बच्चा को जो है हम किस प्रकार जो है रक्षा करें। ऐसे कह करके वो दोनों ने किया कि विचार किया, एक गड्ढा में बच्चे को रख दिया, गर्तन है छोटा गड्ढा, बच्चे को रख करके और पत्ता दे करके ढक दिया। विचार करने लगे शेर जब चला जाएगा फिर हम लोग वापिस आकर के बच्चे को उठा लेंगे, इसके अलावा और कोई चारा नहीं, क्या करें। ऐसे करके छोटे बच्चे के जो है एक गड्ढे में रख दिया और पत्ता ढक दिया। किंतु भाई सिर पर, ललाट पर जब मृत्यु जिसको लिखा है, कौन उसके बचा सके, कौन हार के रोक न सके कोई, कौन हार को रोक न सके कोई। जो होने वाला है उसे कौन रोक सकता है? मृत्यु जहां पर लिखा है तो कौन रोक सकता है? देखते देखते वो शेर जल्दी आ गया और वो पति पत्नी को मार गया, खा गया। बच्चा तो गर्त में रहे ना, वो रहा। ऐसे करते 2-3 घंटे हो गया। फिर शेर जब चले गए, कुछ समय के बाद उसी स्थान पर कुछ बंदरों आ गए और 3 घंटे के बच्चा की भूख लग गया। बच्चा जग करके रोना शुरू कर दिया और उसमें एक बंदरी जो है, बंदरी है ना, फीमेल मंकी जो, उन्होंने देखा उस गड्ढे में पत्ते के अंदर में जो एक छोटा बच्चा है। मैंने कहा हर प्राणियों में कुछ न कुछ तो एक होता है, सहानुभूति है, कंपैशन होता है सहानुभूति। तो उन्होंने क्या कि वो बंदरों ने क्या कि उस बच्चे को गड्ढे से निकाला और उन्होंने अपने स्तनपान कराया। अभी तो 1-1.5 महीने की बच्चा है, उसको क्या पता है? पान करने रहने लगे और बंदर के साथ वो रहने लगे। मैंने कहा देखो इस संसार के लिए हम जिस समाज में रहते हैं, जिस सोसाइटी में रहते हैं, उस सोसाइटी के आचार विचार खान पान सब हम करते रहते हैं। विचार हम कर नहीं सकते। जिस शहर में रह रहे हैं, जिस शहर में हम रह रहे हैं, उसी शहर की सारे आचार विचार को लेकर के हम चल रहे हैं, है कि? तो उसी प्रकार वो छोटा बच्चा जो है बंदरों के समाज में रहने लगे, बंदरों के भांति वो भी क्रिया आदि करने लगे। जैसे बंदर एक पेड़ से दूसरे पेड़ में कूद करके जाते हैं, वो भी उसी प्रकार करने लगे। सब सीख लिया, अभ्यास कर लिया। ऐसे करते करते 2-4 महीने हो गया। एक दिन एक शिकारी जो है, शिकारी हंटर, एक दिन एक शिकारी उस जंगल में आ गया और देखा क्या इस बंदरों के झुंड में जो है एक मनुष्य के बच्चा दिखाई पड़ रहे हैं। तो शिकारी ने किसी प्रकार से वो बच्चे को पकड़ लिया, किंतु पकड़ने से क्या, पकड़ने से तो अपने स्वभाव जो है बंदरों के भांति काटने लगी, किंतु शिकारी किसी प्रकार उसको बंद करके लाया और लेकर के पहले उनको नाखून को और क्या बोले बाल आदि को, केस को जो है काट दिया और शरीर को अच्छी तरफ से स्नान कराया, साफ साबुन आदि लगा करके मल करके घस करके और सारे साफ सुथरा कर और नंगा होकर बंदर के कपड़ा नहीं है, उसके कपड़ा भी पहनाया, मनुष्य के भांति उसी का ट्रेनिंग देने लगे। क्योंकि ट्रेनिंग देने में तो समय लगता है ना, सीखना थोड़ी चाहते हैं। हम तिलक करना नहीं चाहते, हम कहते हैं तुम तिलक करो, है? हम बैठना नहीं जानते, कैसे बैठो, ऐसे बैठना नहीं, कैसे ऐसे बैठो, है? ऐसे बैठने से अपराध होता है, सीखना पड़ता है। साधु समाज में जाओ तो साधु समाज में कुछ सीखना पड़ता है। संत महात्मा में मतलब क्या है? शिक्षा देते हैं। You have to learn how to sit, even how to eat. मैं निंदा नहीं करता हूँ, सत्य बोल देता हूँ कभी कभी। भाई देखो, ठाकुर जी के प्रसाद पाने के बाद हाथ धोना चाहिए, ये हरिभक्ति विलास में लिखा है। प्रसाद पाने के बाद पानी से हाथ धोना चाहिए, ये शास्त्र के विधान है। किंतु इस देश के कल्चर क्या है, वेस्टर्न देश के कल्चर क्या है, वो उसमें हाथ पोछ लेते हैं, क्या बोले टिश्यू के पानी पोछ लेते। बोले नहीं, वो तो तुम जब वैष्णव नहीं थे, जब साधु में नहीं है तो तब किया, यदि वही किया तो सीखा क्या है? ऐसा सीखना चाहिए, है? कुछ सीखो जीवन में, सीखना चाहिए। प्रसाद के बाद पानी से हाथ धोना चाहिए। संत महात्मा के पास, ठाकुर जी के पास कैसे बैठना चाहिए? पैर के फैला करके नहीं, पैर फैला नहीं, ठाकुर जी की तरफ पैर ऐसे करके बैठना अपराध मानते हैं। ठाकुर जी के पास हाथ जोड़ करके दीन होकर बैठना चाहिए। पर इसको कहा जाता है पहली लेसन कहा जाता है। मैं इसलिए कह रहा था भाई साधु समाज संत महात्मा की यही है, शिक्षा देते हैं, किस प्रकार बैठना, किस प्रकार खाना, किस प्रकार है। तो उसी प्रकार उसको अच्छी तरफ से ट्रेनिंग दिया। किसको? वो छोटा बच्चा जो बंदर के समाज में था, उसको लेकर अच्छे से नाखून काट दिया, बाल भी काट दिया, सेव कर दिया, अच्छी तरह से जेंटलमैन बना दिया, तिलक लगा दी, शरीर में बैड स्मेल आ रहा था, अभी क्या होने लगे, सुंदर सुगंध आने लगे। परफ्यूम लगे कि नहीं लगे? देखो, और उनको सिखाया है, कम से कम सीखो हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। फिर स्कूल कॉलेज में भर्ती कर दिया, लिखा पढ़ा अच्छी तरह सीख लिया, और एक दिन एक वास्तव मानव ह्यूमन बन गए। तात्पर्य यही है, हम लोग के जीवन की यही है। संत महात्मा के पास आने के तात्पर्य है जीवन की स्टाइल को हम कैसे बदलाव होना चाहिए। यू हैव टू चेंज योर लाइफ स्टाइल। जैसे पहले लोग शराब पीते थे, अभी कृष्ण कॉन्शियसनेस में आ गए, शराब पीना बंद कर दिया। प्याज लहसुन आदि खाते थे, मांस आदि खाते थे, किंतु साधु गुरु संत महात्मा के सानिध्य में आने के बाद सब छोड़ दिया। है? छूटा कि नहीं छूटा? अभी तक संशय है क्या? नहीं समझ है? छोड़ देना चाहिए। यदि आप नहीं छोड़े हैं तो मैं भी कहता हूँ, शास्त्र भी कहते हैं, क्या करना चाहिए? यू हैव टू मांस मीन्स मांस, जिसको तुम खा रहे हो वो अगले जन्म में तुमको भी है, इसलिए खाना नहीं चाहिए। Should not eat meat. Me eat meat. This life you are eating to other place, then next life you will be eating. If you are killing to someone, next life you will kill someone. These things also described in Srimad Bhagavatam. The story of King Surat Raja. Tell to one very small story. Srimad Bhagavatam, Sukadeva Goswami Pad told Parikshit Maharaj, there is one very pious king. And he performed many kinds of fire, what is called? Sacrifice. What is it called? Jagna.
Fire sacrifice.
Fire sacrifice. And before he also killed fire sacrifice. He killed the sacrifice in front of Devi Kali. Devi Durga or Kali. And he killed many goat, Chag Bali. And he asked to Devi Kali or Durga, give me liberation. And I want to go first Sargaloka, heavenly planet. So in this way, he also sacrificed many goat. There is a goat sacrifice, Chagbuli. Then when he finished this thing, then he was going to heavenly planet, Sargaloka. When he was going on the planet Sargaloka, then he saw all the same the goat. They are standing in front of the door of heavenly planet, taking one sword and came to him. Then King Surat, he afraid, and he asked to Devi Kali or Durga, hey, please save me, they will kill me. That time Devi Durga told, how possible I said to you? You told me you are called Jagat Janani. Jagat Janani means who is the mother of all the living entities, all the universal mother. Jagat Janani. So these animals, they are in this material world not. So I am also their mother. You are calling to me mother, also they are also calling to me mother. So that means all the living entities, they are I am their mother. So how possible one mother will drink the blood from
The children.
his children? Tell to me. कोई संसार में ऐसे भी है जो माँ एक बच्चा के खून पी करके दूसरे बच्चे को पालन पोषण करें? है कोई? माँ तो होता है सबके लिए समान बराबर है। देवी काली ने कही तुमने गलत काम किया, तुम छाग बोली दिया, ये बकरी छाग ने बकरी, ये जो बकरी पे तुमने जो काटा ये भी तो मेरा संतान है और तुम भी मेरा संतान। तो माँ एक बच्चे को काट करके दूसरे बच्चे को कैसे पालन पोषण करे बताओ? तब सूरत राजा भगवान एक उस समय देवी के प्रार्थना में देवी रक्षा की। उन्होंने जीवन में अनेक पुण्य कर्म किया था। He performed many pious activities. For this regard, Devi Kali told, okay, don't worry, but you may go to heavenly planet. This is true. Sargaloka, you go to Sargaloka. Yes, but at a time, all the God they will kill to you. But according my mercy, I can return back your life. Then all the goats, they also cut King Surat. Then again the divine mercy of Devi. Then Surat Raja, he returned back his life here. Then he went to Sarvaloka. I am saying it because if you eat the meat, the next life, they will also eat your flesh. This is true. Therefore, every action is equal and opposite reaction. Need control. So, if you eat meat, fish, should not eat again. Try to understand, God creates everything, not eat for everything for you. God creates the grass, or God creates the cows. Cows, they are eating grass. You are not eating grass. But sometimes you are eating, making the
Salad.
I know different kinds of grass you are putting in. God creates the lion and God creates the deer. For this regard, Srimad Bhagavatam, one sloka also coming. Jivasya jiva bhakshana. भगवान ने संसार सृष्टि किया, एक जीव दूसरे जीव के द्वारा ही वो जीवन धारण करता है। This is true. हम किंतु कौन सा आहार हमें करना है नहीं करना है ये शास्त्र में वर्णन कर दिया। तस्मात् शास्त्र प्रमाणम ते कार्य अकार्य व्यवस्थितो। कृष्ण ने अर्जुन की कहा शास्त्रों में मैं सब कुछ लिख दिया, बोल दिया, विधान दे दिया, कौन सा कार्य करना है कौन सा कार्य नहीं करना। तस्मात् शास्त्र प्रमाणम, शास्त्र में प्रमाण रूप में दिखा दिए। गीता में पढ़ो, गीता के सेमिनार तो हो गया बहुत साल, 10 साल चल रहे ना, कितने साल हो गए? तस्मात् शास्त्र प्रमाणम ते कार्य अकार्य व्यवस्थित। कार्य कौन सा कार्य अच्छी है कौन सा कार्य गलत है, सारे कार्य में लिख दिया। कौन सा कार्य करने से अच्छा फल प्राप्ति होता है, कौन सा कार्य करने से पाप होते हैं, भागवत गीता में सब कुछ लिखा है। इसलिए भगवान करें तस्मात् शास्त्र प्रमाणम ते कार्य अकार्य व्यवस्थित। इसलिए शास्त्र के अनुसार जो मैंने इसे कहा था, जब भगवान ने सब कुछ सृष्टि किया तो इसके मतलब नहीं है सब हम खाते रहे। कुछ लोग होता है 3 वस्तु भी खा नहीं पाते, आकाश में चलने वाले कुछ होता है ना, हवाई जहाज भी खा नहीं पाते, और बाकी जो जितना भी उड़ने वाला है सब पकड़ लेते हैं सब। और जल में जल में जितने भी प्राणी है सबको खा लेते हैं, एक के खाने बात है कौन सा?
जहाज।
सिर्फ जहाज को खाने बात है। और स्थल में मिट्टी के चलने वाले जितने भी है सबको खा लेते हैं, एक के खाने पाते है। वो कार जो है वो गाड़ी पर, किंतु ऐसे नहीं। भगवान को लोग कहते हैं अरे भगवान सृष्टि के सब खाने के लिए, ऐसे बात नहीं। क्योंकि शास्त्र में लिखा है जीवस्य जीव क्षणम, एक जीव दूसरे जीव के आहार के द्वारा अपने को जीवन धारण करता है। वन लिविंग एंटिटी मेंटेन हिज लाइफ टू अदर्स लिविंग एंटिटी। किसको खाना है किसको नहीं खाना है, किस प्रकार खाना है, ये शास्त्र की विधान है। इसलिए गीता में भगवान क्या लिखा, क्या बोला? 3 प्रकार के आहार है, त्रिविधो भोजनम आहार। क्या क्या आहार है? सात्विक आहार, राजसिक आहार और तामसिक आहार। हम मनुष्य, वी आर ह्यूमन बीइंग, वी हैव टू ईट व्हिच आर सात्विक भोजन, द फूड ऑफ गुडनेस, ना क्या बोलते हैं? राजसिक तामसिक आहार करना नहीं चाहिए। शुड नॉट ईट विद द फूड ऑफ पैशन इग्नोरेंस। आहार शुद्ध चित्त शुद्ध, चित्त शुद्ध ध्रुवाणो स्मृति, स्मृति लब्धे ब्रह्म। और इफ यू ईट द शुद्ध आहार शाकाहार, then your brain will be very nice. Ahara Siddhu, Chitta Siddhu, then your Chitta heart will be neat and clean. And mind will be neat and clean. Then you can remember to Lord. So for the Ahara Siddhu, Chitta Siddhu, Chitta Siddhu, Dhruvano Smrito, Smriti Labdhe Brahma. This is the process. So should not eat meat, fish, eggs, onion, garlic. You have to become pure. And all these things you have to pure vegetarian. But what to do? Everything first offer to Lord Bhagavan. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, if you not offer to me and eat in every grass, every food stuff you are eating, the sinful activities, Papa Bhojan. So what to do? First you offer to Krishna, then that prasad you, then you can reform all kinds of sinful activities. This is the process. Yes. So try to understand. You try to become शुद्ध शाकाहारी बनो, जीवन में शाकाहारी बन जाओ और सब कुछ भगवान में अर्पित करो। और क्या करो? भगवान के नाम करो। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। भगवान नाम करते रहो जीवन। गुरु से मंत्र लेकर के नाम जप करने से तुम्हारी यही जीवन में तुम्हें भगवत प्राप्ति होगी। विश्वास करो। Always I am reciting the Father Guru Bhaskar last bar. What is that? ब्रह्म मुहूर्ते पठयता जस्ते न वृंदावननाथ साक्षात् सेवैव संतदेव वंदे गुरु श्री चरणारविंदं, वंदे गुरु श्री चरणारविंदं, वंदे गुरु श्री चरणारविंदं, वंदे गुरु श्री चरणारविंदं। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। And Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad is giving blessing to us. विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती वाले गुरुवाष्टक की अंतिम श्लोक में हम लोग ये आशीर्वाद दे रहे हैं। ब्रह्म मुहूर्त काल में अत्यंत श्रद्धा के साथ यदि कोई गुरुवाष्टक पाठ करे, मृत्यु के पश्चात यानी वस्तु सिद्धि काल में और अंत में भगवान के साक्षात रूप में सेवा प्राप्ति करे। पठति जतना ब्रह्म मुहूर्ते पठति जस्तेन वृंदावन च साक्षात सेवै भगवान् वंदे गुरु श्री हेलाय रतन हराय नमन। Oh mind, don't you lose this valuable jewels thing, this human body. Parimon, Helai, Harai Ratan. So this life you chant holy name and do bhajan and sadhana. If you are doctor, lawyer, or you are businessman, students, no harm. You can perform your prescribed duties. But don't forget to chant holy names. आप डॉक्टर हो, लॉयर हो और स्टूडेंट्स हो, कुछ भी हो, जो आप काम कर रहे हो करते रहो, किंतु भगवान के नाम करते रहो। तुलसीदास कंपोज दिस वर्स, किया अभिमान जब अभिमान नहीं पाएगा, होगा प्यारे वही जैसे राम जी को पाएगा। सीताराम 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 कोई जाई विधि राखी राम ताई विधि रही, विधि के विधान जान हानि लाभ सही है। सीताराम 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 कही, मुख में राम नाम राम राम सेवा हाथ में, तू अकेला नहीं प्यारी राम तेरा साथ में। जिंदगी के डोर सो हाथ बिना नाच के, तू अकेला नहीं प्यारे राम तेरा साथ में। यू आर नॉट अलोन, समझ पा रहे? यू आर नॉट अलोन, आप अकेला नहीं है, राम तेरा साथ में है। परमात्मा स्पर्श हु रिजाइड्स इन योर हार्ट, भगवान राम कृष्ण स्पर्श, सो ही इज ऑलवेज विथ यू। गुरु परमात्मा ऑलवेज विथ यू, यू आर नॉट अलोन। जिंदगी के डोर सो हाथ बिना नाच के, तू अकेला नहीं प्यारे राम तेरा साथ में। हम संसार में अपने पूर्वजन्म के कर्म के अनुसार सुख दुख भोग रहे हैं और संसार में उसके चक्कर में हम घूमते जा रहे हैं, किंतु इस जन्म में कुछ भगवान के नाम करते ले ले रे कोई राम का प्यारा, आवाज लगाऊं गली गली, राम नाम के हीरे मोती मैं बिक रहा हूं गली गली। ले रे कोई राम का प्यारा, आवाज लगाऊं गली गली, राम नाम के हीरे मोती मैं बिक रहा हूं गली गली। Very nice, beautiful this song. The valuable jewels. What is that? Ram Naam, Krishna Naam. Now I am selling. Who will take? Selling means no any cost. Free. Distribution. Take this very now. So the Ram Naam ke hire moti. Holy names is as like jewels, not the jewels. If you say jewels also inferior, you cannot say this. Very valuable things. So what is that? Anyhow, according you understand saying this way, Ram Naam ke hire moti, मैं बिक रहा हूं गली गली। ले ले रे कोई राम का प्यारा, आवाज लगाऊं गली गली। Chant holy names. Take Japamala, chant holy names. Understand? Sometimes going to Brazil, one place, 300, 400, big queue. Take this Japamala, chant holy name. Okay, take this Japamala. Himala, okay, chant. At 1 round you chant, 2 round chant. No harm. Every day chant. One day if you chant, this is reserved for your
whole life.
One day you associate sadhu, that is reserved for you. Today you are coming, tomorrow will not come. So today you coming, this is also your wealth, sampatti. And this will be also. In this way many lifetimes You are supposed to sadhu, that is what accumulated. And when it matured, then your automatic taste will come, chanting Guru names. Bhaktistu bhagavakta samanu priyayate satsanga prapade bhungvi sukruti purva sanchite. Very good, it's Bodhaya. Okay? It's everything. Many lives. Well, in this way, as is sadhu, Parami Bhajani and sadhu, when your sukruti will mature and accumulated, then your one day taste will come to chanting Guru name. Sata janamai ja kumano Vasudeva samarchet Tanmukhi Harinama Tishtanti Bharata. Krishna himself to Adi Purana. Krishna told, hey Arjun, Sata janamai ja kumano, one who perform bhajan and sadhana and worship to Vasudeva Krishna. Then how many years? 100 births. If you 100 births, worship Vasudeva Krishna, then your automatic taste will come chanting Guru name. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Those who are chanting holy names, so you think means 100 births, you already worship Vasudeva Krishna. For this your taste is coming. What taste? Chanting holy name. And if you are not taste coming, then now by force chant holy name. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And conditioned soul, they don't want to take medicine. But Guru and Krishna by force giving. As like, what is called? Gwala means? Milkman. ग्वाला understand? ग्वाला कोई बछड़ा के पेट में कीड़ा हो जाता है, बछड़ा है ना, कीड़ा हो जाता है, तो वो मिल्कमैन क्या करता है, बछड़ा को मुंह को फाड़ करके वो दवाई देता है, नीम पत्ता और कुछ खिलाते जबरदस्त। वो बछड़ा खाना नहीं चाहते हैं, तभी दोनों वो क्या बोलेंगे, जोड़ के ऐसे पकड़ करके बाय फोर्स। ठीक उसी प्रकार कंडीशन सोल बद्ध जीव हरिनाम करना नहीं चाहते, हरि कथा सुनना नहीं चाहते, किंतु साधु गुरु वैष्णव कहते नहीं सुनो, साधु गुरु वैष्णव कहते हैं हरिनाम करो, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। Srila Gurudev Narayana Goswami in our case of the Guru, only small then brahmachari is coming, maybe 7 years, 10 years, and this is their small, they don't want to chant holy name, taking japamala and running here and there, and also fighting to each other. Sometimes Gurudev was, hey, sit down here. And Gurudev chant holy names here. Sometimes, no, chant it. By force, Gurudev said. Because they don't want to chant holy names. But Guru, by force, no chant holy names. And one day chanting holy names is here. Particular English said, charity begins the home. So you should be give training of your baby. And if you are not chanting holy names, how possible your baby will chant holy names? This is another question. That means, apone achari jivili sikhani. You have to chant holy names, and you also give training to your children. There. Chant holy name. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Sadhu Guru, this is duty. how the conditioned soul they are suffering. Huh? That is called paradukha dukhi. Paradukha dukhi means looking the others suffering. Then sadhu's heart melted. Sadhu thinking how they will deliver from this material. So for this regard, Sadhu Guru by force saying, no, chant holy names. Do bhajan and sadhan. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Many life you enjoyed all kinds of sanskar. And you never satisfied. The English word that is called chewing the chew. Understand? गन्ना जानते हो? एक sugar cane. क्या?
Suiker.
Chewing, eating, you drinking, then nothing there. But again you and throw there and again you chew, get anything? Nothing. In the same way, every life you enjoyed all kinds of whose life you did not marry, whose life you did not and enjoyed any kinds of senses. Just you forget. This life, what you will do. I am not opposed to you. I am not saying anything too much. But only I give you what instruction? Chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Just this life, follow the four principles. I know this is very, what is called? Difficult for you. Is it true? But you by force do. No, I have to chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. This life you take vow. इस जीवन में आप थोड़ा प्रतिज्ञा कर लीजिए, नियम को कर लीजिए, समझाइए, मन को समझाइए। रे मन, अनेकों जीवन तुमने सब कुछ कर लिया, इस जन्म थोड़ा कम करो, है? और इस जन्म क्या करो? हरिनाम करो। हरे कृष्णा, कृष्णा कृष्णा, हरे हरे, हरे राम, राम राम, हरे हरे। साधु गुरु वैष्णव किस लिए आते हैं? महांतर स्वभाव ही चारिते पामर, निज कार्य नाही प्रभु जान पर। हिंदी समझते हो कि नहीं? कितने लोग हिंदी समझते हो? हाथ उठा। हिंदी समझते हो? ओके, थोड़ा महांतर स्वभाव ही तारित पामर। साधु गुरु वैष्णव, they are coming in your house, in your country, how to deliver you from the ocean of the existence of Maya. साधु गुरु आने की तात्पर्य है या आप इस संसार रूपी माया समुद्र से कैसे पार करके भगवान के राज्य में जाओ। That is called back to God. You are not the residents in this material world. आप इस संसार के, इस माया संसार के आप लोग नहीं हैं। आप भगवत धाम को चलो, अपने धाम चलो। हाँ, भगवत धाम चलो, है? साधु गुरु के साथ चलो और नाम करो। कैसे जाओगे? नाम करते करते, है? हरे कृष्णा, कृष्णा कृष्णा, हरे हरे, हरे राम, राम राम, संग नाम संकीर्तन। साधु संत महात्मा के साथ बैठो और हरि कथा श्रवण करो और नाम करो। कभी कभी लोग मैं कसारे हरिनाम करते हो नहीं, अभी हमारे समय नहीं, बोले हमारा समय नहीं हुआ, मरने के समय जब समय हो गया। Sometimes they say, hey, you are chanting holy names, you receive Diksha mantra, no, my time is not coming, but your time will come. Death will not give any
concession.
hints to you. मृत्यु आपकी कोई सूचना दे करके नहीं आए, सूचित नहीं करेंगे। Death will not give any warning. Any second, any moment, death will come. हाय नहीं भाभी, अनित्य जीवन जीवन विगत गले कोथा रही वैभव। भक्तनाथ ठाकुर sang this song. Why you give up this body? Who will go with you? Yesterday will go with? Who went with him? No one. Only Guru and Krishna. Is it true? Try to understand this way. Because you have come alone, आप अकेले आए हैं, और कौन जाएगा साथ में? अकेले जाएंगे। तो तथा शास्त्र कहते हैं गुरु एंड कृष्ण, तू अकेला नहीं प्यारे, राम तेरा साथ में, गुरु एंड कृष्ण। तो इस मानव जीवन के सार्थक बनाओ, मनुष्य जीवन की सक्सेसफुल of human life. How will your life will be successful? Chanting holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. साधु गुरु वैष्णव इसलिए आते हैं आपके पारमार्थिक हेल्प करने के लिए। आप धीरे धीरे कैसे भगवान के राज्य में जाओ, तुम्हारे हाथ पकड़ के ले जाएंगे। साधु गुरु वैष्णव they will hold your hand and cross the ocean. एक समय एक छोटा लड़की और उसके पिताजी जा रहे थे, बीच में छोटा सा एक नदी है, ज्यादा नहीं था, उसमें दो बांस है ना रखा है, तो पक उसमें पार करना था। तो बेटी कहने लगे, पिताजी कहने लगे बेटी तेरा हाथ दो, मैं हाथ को पकड़ता हूँ। बेटी कहते नहीं पापा आपको हाथ में पकड़ता हूँ। पिताजी कहते नहीं बेटी मैं तुम्हारे हाथ को पकड़ ले। तो बेटी कहने लगे पिताजी इसमें अंतर क्या है, आप हमारे हाथ पकड़ो बट मैं आपका हाथ पकड़ो, दोनों के बराबर है, सहारा तो लेना है। ये जो नदी में छोटा जो नदी में पैर क्या बोले बांध रखा है, ये किसके सहारे लेकर चलना है। आप हमारे हाथ पकड़े और मैं आपका हाथ पकड़ू, इसमें अंतर क्या होता है। पिताजी कहने लगे बेटे बेटी ये समझ में नहीं आएगी अभी, तू मेरा हाथ पकड़ो और मैं तुम्हारे हाथ पकड़ू, इसमें बहुत अंतर है। क्या अंतर है बताओ, क्या अंतर है? What is the difference? You understand Hindi? What is the interest?
If the daughter is holding the father's hand, the hand can get loose. But if the father is holding the daughter's hand, he will not let go.
What is the touch? What is the significance? Significance. If Guru and Krishna will give shelter, hold our hand, there are no chance to fall down. If I hold, then maybe I will be set and fall down. That's the two philosophy. One is called ascending, another is called descending. One is called arohavad, another is called avarohavad. So our philosophy is this thing, avarohavad. How to follow the footsteps of all what Mahajan, spiritual master, and for the instruction. This is the process. So try to understand this philosophy and everybody chant holy name and do bhajan and sadhana in this life. And Krishna sansar karo chari anachar jive daya Krishna naam sadharma sar. Do not have. You have to make Krishna sansar. Krishna sansar, understand? The family of Krishna. What is that? That means wife, husband, children. All together chant holy names and do bhajan. That is called Krishna sansar. Eh? Understand? All you are Krishna sansar. Nice. Understand? Krishna sansar karo. Chari anachar. Meaning give up all kinds of bad habits. And previous habits you have to give up. Before coming in our Krishna consciousness. Maybe I don't know. Maybe you eat meat, fish, eggs. But now you are in Krishna consciousness. You should not eat meat, fish, eggs. What do you do? Now we complete and chant. Because in this Kali Yuga, there are only other process to attend to Lord. Learn one sloka you like in the service. What is the sloka? Hare Nama, Hare Nama, Hare Nama, Kevalam, Kalu Nastiva, Pratirannatha. Who knows this sloka? Raise your hand. What is this sloka?
In this age, there's no other way to attain to the Lord like chanting His holy name. There's no other way.
What is the other way? By the permission karma, jnana, yoga, Hare Nama, Hare Nama, Hare Nama Kevalam. Only Hare Nama. So 3 times he says, Hare Nama, Hare Nama, Hare Nama. Nastiva, Natva, not. That means here. By the way, if you know, maybe karma, jnana, yoga, but not. Only Harinam, give intense. Only Harinam. So the Namaiva, so Namaiva. एकमात्र माने केवल हरिनाम के द्वारा इस संसार से आप मुक्त हो सकते हैं और भगवत प्रेम को प्राप्त करते हैं। इसलिए क्या करना चाहिए? हरिनाम करो। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। बोलो हरे कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम हरे राम Hare
Yes, and I have also the plate after, and I have some cups if necessary. Yeah.
Just put it over there. Put it in the kitchen.
पाद अष्टोत्तर शतनाम भक्ति वेदांत श्रवण गोस्वामी महाराज की जय, नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज की जय, भक्ति प्रदान केशव गोस्वामी महाराज की जय, भक्ति सिद्धांत प्रभुपाद की जय, भगवान गुरुवर्ग की जय, हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय, सवेद गौर भक्त वृंद की जय, अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय, गौर प्रेमानंद सूत्राजीव की जय, भगवान रामचंद्र दरबार की जय, की लक्ष्मण मैया की जय, गौर प्रेमानंद।